In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Netlify project on GitHub. Linking your Netlify project to GitHub lets Netlify automatically build and deploy your site every time you push code. It's the simplest way to keep your live site in sync with your repository, and it only takes a minute to set up. First, head over to netlify.com and sign into your account. If you have multiple teams, make sure you're in the right workspace so you can see the site you want to connect. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. This is your home base for all sites in the selected team. If your list is long, use the search bar to quickly find the project you want. Select the project you want to connect and open it. You'll land on the site overview, which shows recent deploy activity and quick links. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct site, since the repository connection will apply to this specific project. Next, click the Deploys tab near the top. This tab shows your deployment history, including build logs and the status of your latest deploy. It's also where you'll control how your site builds from source control. From here, choose Deploy Settings. This opens a focused settings area dedicated to how your site is built and deployed. If you're ever wondering where environment variables, build commands, or publish directory options live, this is where you'll find them. In the repository section, click Link Repository. This is where you connect your site to a code host so Netlify knows where to pull your code from. Linking here enables automatic builds on every push to the selected branch. When prompted, click GitHub. If it's your first time connecting GitHub to Netlify, you may see an authorization screen. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant access. Then, search for and select the repository you want to use, and confirm the default branch you'd like Netlify to build from. If your repo is part of an organization, ensure you have the right permissions, or ask an administrator to grant access. After confirming, Netlify will save the connection and show the linked repository in the repository section. That's it. Your Netlify project is now connected to GitHub. To verify everything is working, push a small change to the selected branch and watch the Deploys tab update with a new build. If a build fails, review the build logs here, check your build command and publish directory under Deploy Settings, and make sure any required environment variables are set. From now on, every push to that branch will trigger a fresh deploy, keeping your site up to date automatically.